show you the money.
Oh, no, you can do better than that, Jerry. I want you to say it what you would mean it, brother. Hey, I got Bob Sugar on the other line. I better hear you say it.
No, show you the money.
Not show you. Show me the money.
Show me the money.
Yeah. Louder.
Show me the money.
That's it, brother, but you got to yell.
Show me the money.
I need to feel you, Jerry.
Show me the money.
Jerry, you better yell.
Show me the money.
Another update on my channel, and today is February 25th. It's about 8:42 a.m. and good news, we got some good news. If you recall my previous video, this is why you guys need to subscribe, and thank you for everyone who has been subscribing. So if you saw my last video, I purchased a live contract. It was a Home Depot contract, and here's a quick clip of yesterday's. Alright, so we're going to review it. And then we're agreeing to buy it. And then I went ahead and bought it. So, as you can see, I'm doing these trades in front of you. And, like, again, I saw this Alright, so as you can see, we sold this morning for a profit. Alright, so check this out. I'll go back on here. Let me go over here. Alright, so here is the Home Depot. And if you see here. Alright, so we bought a contract yesterday for $500. And we predicted that the price was going to go higher than $255 by March 5th. Obviously, within 24 hours, it did. And we made a profit of, we cashed out a total of $735, which is a profit of $235 within 24 hours, which is not bad. Remember, I bought it yesterday morning, and as you can see, I sold 2 hours ago. As soon as the market opened, I went in there and sold, and I'm glad I did, because Home Depot is actually going down now. But I mean, look at this. I mean, $200, $235 profit, not bad, right? I mean, and you guys saw me doing it. You saw me finding that stock, and then you saw me buying those options. Now you see me cashing out. So that was a great buy. We also got into SPY again, which again, I made some good money off SPY, and I'm actually still doing even better now. So yesterday, if you recall, I also showed a video of me buying this contract as well. I'm trying to see where it shows all my contracts here. Okay, this was today. So this morning, I bought another contract that it was going to go down. Remember, I bought it when it was going up, and I made some money off that, which I'm going to look for it right now. And then obviously we were in a high peak, so obviously what goes up must come down, and that is exactly what my strategy was for today. So as you can see, I bought another contract for $216. I just bought one contract, and I'm already up $290. So I mean, it's we're up. So I'm hoping to cash that off tomorrow. Again, you know, there's only two regrets you have when it comes to stock market: not selling fast enough, and two, not buying enough. So as you can see here, I'm kicking myself for not buying more. I only bought one contract for $216. I mean, I should have bought more. I mean, look at this. Look at the total returns. I'm sure it's gonna hit over $300 by the end of the day. And again, my goal is to cash it out early in the morning as soon as the top market opens and resell. Now, if you're not, remember, I'm only really, the only reason why I'm gonna sell early in the morning is because I'm not able to day trade. But for you, if you're not restricted, remember, you could cash out 3 times within a week. So if you were into this, I mean, you could cash out now and pull out that $296, and it's all profit all within a couple hours. So as you can see, the call options, it's easy money. I mean, you can make some money, but again, you can lose money, and I'm going to show you another reason why you could lose money. So so I also jumped into Nokia. I bought a contract this morning, 2 hours ago, for $520. I bought 20 of them. I mean, I just figured, you know what, let me go all out. I bought 20 contracts at 26 cents a share times 2,000, because remember, it's 100 per contract, so I bought 20 of them. So, and I was predicting that the price for Nokia will go up to $4.50 by March 5th. And of course, it hasn't gone down. I mean, when I bought this, it was at here, I bought when it was around here, 428. So I just figured, you know what, it could go up another 25 cents, but it hasn't. I mean, it just got dropped. Now, I mean, it's still early in the market. It's probably, like I said, it's probably 8 o'clock. So I'm hoping by the end of the day it should go back up, or at least by March 5th. So that's the reason why I kind of extended it back. The only reason why I jumped on Nokia is because there's it's those trends with the Reddit people who are, here we go, here's the news. The same people that are doing the GameStop, AMC. So I just figured, you know what, let me just jump on here just in case. And I figured 20 contracts. I mean, if it does go up, let's say Nokia jumps from the $4 that we're at now to like 10, 15, 30, or 40 bucks. Which again, everything's possible, especially with all these people following the trends. It's like GameStop. I mean, GameStop is back up already. So I just figured, you know what, I'll risk $500 and take my chance on cashing out on a good day. So we'll see what happens. I mean, this news was just released this morning, so who knows? Maybe people are still picking up and will jump on, and hopefully Nokia will go back up. So that's where we're at right now. It's at 410. So I am down on that. Another option contract I just purchased a few minutes ago is this Reinvent Technology Partners. Here, just search the ticker RTP, and you're gonna see what this company does. It's basically they're gonna merge with a big company. It's like a technology. Let me see if I could put something up here so you guys could watch. 1 second.
You may have heard of Uber Elevate. This was an arm of Uber's original business, which was going to be focused on flying taxis to basically take people from skyscrapers in cities to the airport, or just allow people to travel around congested cities with ease. Now, Uber did a really nice conceptual video on Uber Elevate, and it got everybody excited about this technology, but then nothing happened. In this part of Uber's business seemed to be just burning cash, and that's something we need to be aware of.
Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty much an Uber air taxi company. So with the new technology going, so I just figured, you know what, the stock is down a little bit. If you can see here, let's go back to the alright, so if we look at the 3-month chart, each stock was at 11.15 back in December, and as you can see here, January 22 jumped to almost $14. It dropped, and then it hit February 16. It went all the way to 15.70, which is a nice little number. And of course, it dropped. See how it's at 12.86 right now? So that is why I'm buying some options here, because I'm going to predict that now with this merge that's going to happen, and which they're going to be announcing it very soon, that it should be jumping back up. So even if it jumps back to 15.70, I mean, I'm happy with that. So I bought here's the contract. So I bought, I spent $315. Here it is. All right, so I bought 5 contracts at 64 cents a share. I spent a total of $320, and predicting that the market will, the stock will go to $15 by March 19. So if it does, we'll see some nice returns. So as of right now, since the market is, I mean, it's still early. I'm currently down $5, which is fine. Again, I'm hoping to see this go up towards the 15 in the next couple of days. So I might just hold on to this one and see how it goes. But so far, if you want to get on here, I mean, do your little research, and then give me 1 second here. All right, so if you want to get on here, you go to view options, and then here's the ones you want to do: buy, call, and expiration date. I think the earliest is March 19. So even if you go back to April 16 or even July 16, I mean, the price is not that insane. So I mean, if you think it's gonna go up by 15 by March 19, then this is the one I bought. See how it says a 5 here, because that's the one I purchased. And actually, I'm glad it up, because when I bought it was at 63 cents. Now it's at 70 cents. So obviously, the higher the number you think, if you think it's gonna go to 17.50 by March 19, obviously the contract is a lot cheaper. But I mean, again, I like to look at the charts and see. So obviously, the highest they've ever been at was at $15 and change. So for them to hit 17.5 within what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you know, it's I don't know. I don't know if it's possible. Oh, I mean, anything is possible, but I mean, if you want to take your chance, obviously the payouts are a lot better. Or if you want to play it safe, you could buy this one in the money. A little bit more expensive, about $130 a contract. But anything that goes over $12.50, you'll make some decent money. Obviously, the ones below this line, the ones where in the money, they don't tend to pay as well as the contracts out of the money. Okay, remember, out of the money means above the share price. So these are the ones that pay the most. These, I mean, you can still make some money, but not as like these. Okay, so if we go back to our portfolio, I mean, as you can see today, we're currently just down $11, which is not bad. My SPY is doing really good. I mean, look at this. As I'm doing this video and you guys are watching, I'm already at 320. It's gonna hit 320. I was just down. We were just hoping to hit the 300. Now we're at 320. So, hoping that this continues to drop, and the price continues to increase for me, and then I'll cash out tomorrow. I mean, even if, like, for example, if I was to cash out now, spend $216, made $315. I mean, you know, that's some good returns. So that's when I jumped on there. If you want to get on this one, go to ticker SPY, SPY, and view all options, and then select February 26th. That's tomorrow. I wouldn't select that one because I'm just tomorrow. But remember, SPY is a little bit different. The one I bought yesterday was hoping that it was going up, which it did. Now I predict that it's going to go down. I bought a put. So this is the one I bought, the put. So again, it's not something with SPY is that you can't buy long term. You gotta do it quick because the market changes so fast. So, I mean, it's totally up to you, but do some research. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here for entertainment purposes. You know, that's a small little disclaimer. But I mean, as you can see, it keeps going up. I wanted to show you. Okay, here we go. Here's the ones I did prior to this. So, so this is the one I did on February 24th, which was yesterday. That's the one that I bought for $319. Bought one contract, and then I cashed out or sold it 2 hours ago this morning when the market opened for $576. So that's a nice little chunk of what, 200 and change profit. And right now this is the one I bought 2 hours ago for $216, and we are at, oh my god, it keeps going up, and we're at $345 profit. So it looks like it's going to be a good day today again. But again, you guys do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Like I said, I'll be posting more videos of me buying stocks and give you my predictions. But I mean, you can see, I mean, you're watching everything I do live. And look at the price. It's going up. So hopefully it just stays there. Hopefully tomorrow's video, I could tell you that I cashed out another couple more $100, which is enough to buy myself a PS5 with the today's earnings. But again, just do me a favor and hit the subscribe. So I want to continue to grow this channel, and if I continue to get more likes and more subscribers, I'll continue this journey. And just to give you guys the last rundown here, this account, I just opened it not that long ago. I mean, I opened the Robinhood account a while back, but I didn't really get into this until I mean, if you see here, back in January 28th. So I mean, my account is just fairly new. So this is not like an account that I've been investing. I only have $1,800 profit in the last 2 years or so. This is just in the last month and a half. So hopefully you guys could see me beat this challenge and get to $10,000 very soon. So we'll see how it goes. I mean, and the rate I'm looking at, we might be hitting that 10,000 in the next couple of months. So who knows, maybe sooner. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. And again, hit the subscribe button.